if you're just putting your foot down to corner, please stop. For your safety, for your own good. Maybe you were told to put a foot down, or maybe you just naturally do it so that you can balance. Woo! But if you're just putting a foot down like this, you're greatly increasing your risk of getting an injury. Because when you just put your foot down like this, it can help to balance, but when you're riding in the woods where there's tons of stumps that are covered up with leaves and branches and roots and everything, the closer your foot is to the ground, the more likely it's going to get caught and snapped back, twisted back. You're going to greatly increase the risk of tearing your knee or your ankle or just something in your leg or your hip if you keep doing that. So you have two options that are going to be a lot safer. The first one is a little bit harder. It requires more balance, and that is keeping both of your feet on the pegs. This is strictly cornering I'm talking about. So if you're coming into a corner, just keep both feet on the pegs while you're cornering. This is the safest option as long as you keep your toes in. It just requires more balance and technique so that you don't fall over or slide out. Now the other way is by putting your foot out, but it's not putting it down. It's putting it up and forward like this. This is not only helping you balance if you need, but it's also keeping it up and out of the way of roots and stumps and anything that's on the ground. So it's up even higher than the foot peg. So basically your knee should be pretty much touching the handlebar here, with it straight and not bent. That way, even if you're doing an off-camber corner like that, it's not going to drag on the ground. And if I'm doing a lot of smooth corners like this, that one wasn't very smooth, but if I'm doing a smooth corner, woo, I'm usually putting a foot out like this. Let's turn around there. I want to show you this corner here where it's higher on the inside. If I just put my foot down right here, it's gonna catch on this because it's higher and it's gonna get ripped back. So please stop doing that. And you might not even know that you're doing it, which is totally fine. If you're new to riding or getting back into dirt biking, it's hard to know all of the proper techniques. So I'm just trying to keep you safe, and I want you to have more confidence so you can have more fun in the woods. And if you want to improve your cornering, I want you to check out this video right here. Or don't, it's up to you. I'm Kelly Fagan from MXHideout. Ride safe, have fun.